I want to circle back to your bond
Yes.
question as well, because it's a fascinating one.
Yeah.
I do personally think about it as a bond. I invest, personally in the farms on our platform under the same terms as our website users.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the way I look at it is, here is a, more like a tips or something where you have, there is correlation to inflation. That's the one thing Farmland is correlated to decently is inflation.
Mm-hmm.
Everything else, like S&P, it's almost exactly zero in terms of correlation, but it does over time. You have some inflation hedge there.
Yeah.
So that's helpful to think about. And as a bond, if you're thinking about investing in a bond, you're backed by a government or backed by a company. Here we're backed by a hard asset that produces something that, unless we all die, we will need. Right? No matter what happens in the world, we have to eat. And that's a pretty comforting thing to know about farmland as an investor is we're going to need the soil for a very long time.
I'm surprised that with technology and with the improvements in output per whatever that we haven't seen the cash on cash, or at least the appreciation flatten.
Mm-hmm.
That's surprising to me that there hasn't been any sort of, no massive bear markets where like there was maybe it's because you don't have the data all the way back, but maybe once machinery became much more prevalent. I don't know.
So for the actual underlying prices, we do have the data going much further back.